And Mr. Abubekir, from an investor point of view, which of these jurisdictions within Africa you believe that is a safe net for their investments and also encouraging others to follow suit?
I think from a legal point of view, that's beyond me to answer. I don't want to step into the wrong shoes. But from a businessman point of view, we firstly buy mood, then reality. So if I go into a country without naming, and if I speak to 4 or 5 business people of the country, and if I ask them about their legal framework and how their system works, and I get a feel like, Salim, then it's already no. So it's not the how it works, how system it works, and so on and so forth. It's more how trustworthy the system is. So I think sometimes I feel that get missed in the discussion of the maybe legal minds, that we buy firstly the mood, then the reality. So the countries of lawyers, judges, and so on and so forth needs to fix the mood, that when we're coming in, we believe, okay, I can trust the system here, that if something happens to me, I will be protected. From the countries that we do business, yes, I mean, as correctly mentioned, there are certain countries works well, but I urge people to also consider these aspects. Let's say my colleague mentioned Rwanda, which I totally agree, doing an amazing job, but it's been doing an amazing job by the same leader. So if you put me tomorrow, will that carry on? So there are things that you need to consider when you look at a country, and depends on what business you're doing. The business I do, from a mining point of view, we enter into a country, if we're looking at from prospecting to mining, first money we see after 7 years. So I need to be able to see scope of at least 7 years, that otherwise there is a difficulties. But I have done lots of businesses, as you guys could hear, in the SADC region, and South Africa. I have had several arbitration cases as well. It's been quite, let's not say joyful, case can't be joyful, but it ended in a way that at least everybody was satisfied in certain manner. I think, again, one needs to consider that, as my colleagues mentioned, I generally give this example. Look at neighbor countries, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, totally different 3 countries from almost everything point of view. How you do things, how the legal framework, and so on and so forth. DRC, Rwanda, Kenya, totally different. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, totally different. These are neighboring countries. But from the way you do business to how you look at the judiciary, what you need to rely on is different. And you have to accept that. And when you're doing business, you must be mindful of the reality on the ground, and you work accordingly. And that's how we do it.